Angie and welcome to my YouTube video. Today I'm doing a very special unboxing, which is not quite an unboxing, and you'll see why. I just received a very special ohm bead. This is a BBQ, which is a Big Beads Quarterly edition, and this one is so super special. It is Holy Bunny 2.0, and it comes in this adorable little stuffed bunny who looks a little patched up, but he's so cute with his little nose and buttons and his little ohm tag right there. So let's take a look at what's inside. I haven't looked yet and wanted to film my true reaction. This is a really special piece and a collector's edition for sure, and something that, you know, I saved for and really debated, but I love bunny rabbits, I love stuffed animals, and the story behind it just got my heart, so I had to do it. So let's take a look together. All right, there's the box inside, those floppy ears. And let's slide it open and see what we got. This is Holy Bunny 2.0. Oh my gosh, oh, I don't want to see it. Let's look at this first. This is serialized, so I got number 93, and there's little Holy Bunny. Oh my gosh, and it's kind of big. You can see he just pokes out of the box. And what makes this very, very special is that he moves. He is articulated, so let's see what we've got. His little eye pops out, his little eyeball, and his little ear moves. So that's really cute. Oh, and I can feel it in the back that his little bunny cottontail moves too. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Let's zoom in and take a little bit closer look at him. He's very shiny silver, and he has a cute little expression. And I think this can be worn as a pendant as well. You can just feed in your ball necklace or your drop necklace inside, and it will catch it and hold it. And let's take a look. He's got quite a big incision down his tummy. Cutest little paws. So he has had it a little rough. He's been loved so much that he is showing a little bit of wear and tear. And oh my gosh, it's so cute. A little bit of oxidized detail in that earlobe. Very cute. And that eye is so funny. Let's see what's going on in the back. He has a very big patch on his backside and another incision, some stitches at the top. There you can see everything moving and falling out. That little paw moves too. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. I love him. He's really, really sweet. Very, very happy. It's adorable. Thank you, Ohm. This is the first BBQ I have owned and have in my hand, and he's just so super special, and I love him so much. So stay tuned. There might be more BBQs I can show you, and totally worth it. He's adorable. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.